Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you on how to use our new and unique feature on Choice Eliminator for Google Forms. First, you want to have a Google form with actual responses in it. So I got this Google form right here with 800 responses. So next, what you want to do is go to Choice Eliminator and then click on Response Manager. So when it comes to regular Google Form response managers, you can only manage the responses by email and which response it was. But for our new feature, you'll be able to do it through many things. So first, you want to head over to the select search field. You can search the responses through email, you can search it through the multiple choice or like every option, the answer options. You can also search it through timestamps. Any field that can be seen over up here, you'll be able to search it up. So let's first do it through timestamp, and then I want to find responses that were in the 28-minute mark. So I'm going to just write 28, and as you can see, it's going to give me every single response that was in the 28-minute timestamp. And if you look closely right here, it says loading. It's at 14%. If it isn't fully loaded, you won't be able to access all of your responses. So what you can either do is wait until it loads up, or you could just search for the ones that are already loaded up. I want to also add that we don't keep the responses in our servers. We use the Google responses, the ones that were recorded in Google, and just implement it here. So we never save any of the responses. Now I can also search it through email. So as you can see, there's one email right here. So I'm going to click on email, and then I'm going to search up the email itself. And as you can see, it's going to give me the responses with those emails. I can also search it up through the response options. So let's do one with paragraph 1. And I can choose what specific I want. For example, paragraph response 74 or 78. So if I search up 7, it's going to list all of the ones that have 7 in it. Or I can just search, be specific, give 74. As you can see, it gives me these 3 options. You can also delete your responses. The way you do it is by clicking this and then clicking the trash can, and it will ask, and it will tell you that it can never be recovered. So when you're deleting them, be sure that you fully want to delete it. And then next, you can also click on the eye symbol, which will show you their entire Google form response. Now let's compare this to the original Google form in Google itself. So as you can see, I can look at the summary based on the emails, but it's not really sorted out as the table that we give. So I can sort it through question, but it can get pretty confusing at times. So that is what also makes our feature more unique. I can also search through it individually, but it will show the entire Google form compared to the one that we have over here, where it gives one big table for each response.